9 ICSE syllabus chapter 1 rational irrational test yourself. Simplify root of 18 by this one. First simplify root of 18. So root of 18 you can write this as 9 into 2, then 5 9 into 2 plus 3 this, so 18 root 2 minus 9 9 are 81, 9 into 2 18 root 2, so equal to 3 root 2 by 15 plus 8 minus 8, so plus 18 minus 18 cancel, 15 root 2 cancel, 3 1 time 5 time, so answer for this 1 by 5. So this is the answer. So test yourself, we have done first sum. So root 3 plus root 2. So x plus 1 by x gives, so this is equal to 2 root 3. Now subdivision to x squared first you find. So x squared equal to x 2ab. So 3 plus 2 minus 2 root 6, 5 minus 2 root 6. Therefore 1 by x squared is 5 plus 2 root 6, just to conjugate 2 root 6. This and this cancelled. So answer 10. You check with the back answer. Book back la paathuka. Now 3. X cube you want to find first, because x cube plus 1 by x cube theva. So root 3 minus root 2 whole cube. So what a squared b plus 3 a b squared minus b cube. So this is root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 3. So 3 root 3 minus root 3 into root 3 3. 3 3s are 9. So 9 root 2 plus 3 root 2 into root 2 2. So 2 3s are 6. 6 root 3 minus root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So 2 root 2. So equal to 3 root 3, 6 root 3, 9 root 3, minus 9 na minus 11. Here alternate minus here. So minus 11 root 2. Now conjugate is 1 by x cube. 9 root 3 plus 11 root 2. So now add x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 9 root 3 minus 11 root 2 plus 9 root 3 plus 11 root 2. Plus and minus cancel. So answer 18 root 3. Now we see question number 5. True or false? Negative of an irrational number is irrational number. This is true only. For example, root 5 is an irrational number. Minus root 5 also irrational number. So it is true. And next question, the product of a non-zero rational number, rational, and an irrational number is a rational number. Definitely this is false, because if you multiply a rational and an irrational, the answer given is irrational only, not rational. So rational 6, irrational root 5, 6 into root 5, 6 root 5. Since root 5 is irrational, the product also irrational. Now question number 8. 6 and 7 we do later. Show that this equal to 52 by 11. So 4 minus root 5, 4 plus root 5. So conjugate as usual step, and a minus b whole square equal to here a squared minus b squared. So a squared plus b squared minus 2a. Next one 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus 5. This is just a reciprocal of this. So here you are taking the conjugate. 21 minus 85 becomes 21 plus 85 by 11. So adding this, mark it as 2. Now consider 2 minus 5 minus root 3. So take the conjugate, multiply it, you are getting 5 plus root 3 by 11. Then for the next one, you are taking the conjugate, 2 by 5 plus root 3. Here you have taken 5 minus root 3, here 5 plus root 3. So taking the conjugate of this, mark it as 3 and 4. Now adding the LCM 11, answer is 52 by 11. Now question number 9, so that x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 52. If x is the formula, you get 26 plus 15 root 3. Now 1 by x cube means just a conjugate of this. If you know the step, and this you can do yourself. Now adding these two, you are getting the answer 52. Now next, x squared plus 1 by x squared. You want to prove it as 34 if x equal to this. Same step, use the form getting 17 plus 12 root 2. Now 1 by x squared means just a conjugate of this. Now cancel and get 34. Now the third one, so this is a minus b whole square. So a plus b into a minus b, this one. Just you can clear step is given. So finally the answer is 5 minus 2 root 6. Now next consider this. Take the conjugate. All these are simplification only. Then from 1 and 2, if you cancel, you are getting the answer as 11. Now the last one, show that x is rational if the following, taking the square root. So x squared equal to 16, definitely x equal to 4. This is a rational number. So in a point 4 digit. So when you take the square root, 2 digit 0.02. That is the rational number. X squared equal to, this is you make into improper fraction. Now take the square root, 4 by 3 is a rational number. Now question number 2, simplify root of x squared plus y squared minus y by x minus root of x squared minus y squared, then divide. Divide அப்படினா நம்ம இன்டூவா மாற்றணும் அப்படின்னா இந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் வந்து இது நியூமரேட்டர் டினாமினேட்டருக்கு வந்துடும், டினாமினேட்டர் நியூமரேட்டருக்கு போயிடும். அப்போ a மைனஸ் பி a ப்ளஸ் பி, அப்போ a ஸ்கொயர்டு மைனஸ் பி ஸ்கொயர்டு ஃபார்மில் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்குவோம். இங்கே a ப்ளஸ் பி தென் a மைனஸ் பி, இல்லை இதை நம்ம இப்படி வச்சுக்கலாமே. ஸோ a மைனஸ் பி தென் a ப்ளஸ் பி, அப்போ a ஸ்கொயர் மைனஸ் பி ஸ்கொயர். ஸோ a ஸ்கொயர் மீன்ஸ் root of x squared plus y squared the whole squared minus b squared, a minus b, a plus b by x squared minus root of x squared minus y squared the whole square. So root 2 squared cancel ஆயிரும். So equal to x squared plus y squared minus y squared x squared, then one step we write it. Now take x squared plus y squared minus y squared, take minus inside, minus, then minus minus plus. So this cancel. So x squared by y squared. This is the answer for this. Question number 3, simplify, correct to 1 decimal place. Answer வந்து 1 decimal place இருக்கிற மாதிரி பார்த்துக்கணும். So this one, you are given the value of root 5 and root 10. So equal to 5 by 5 into 4 minus root 10, write as it is. So equal to 5 by, இது வந்து 2 இல்லையா, so 2 root 5 minus root 10. So equal to 5 by 2 into root 5 is 2.2, then minus root 10 3.2. So equal to 5 by 4.4 minus 3.2. So 5 by 4 minus 2 to 1.2. கீழே வந்து பாயிண்ட் இருக்குது இல்லையா? ஸோ 50 by 12. ஸோ divide 50. 4 times 48, balance 2, then 0.0, 1 time 12, 8, 80, then 6 2s are 12, balance 1, 72, அப்படியே போயிட்டே இருக்கும். ஸோ equal to 4.16. ஸோ approximately equal to 1 decimal place is more than 5 means 4.2. இது வந்து 5 and more than 5 means 4.2.